Spirit Tower information, X-ray 17540, wind 350 at 8, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 16, 2.4, altimeter 3027.
Tower 73, Quebec Papa, did you give me landing clearance yet?
Say Quebec Papa, you are clear to land runway 26 left.
Land 26 left, 73, Quebec Papa. Tower Skyhawk 73, Quebec Papa.
Skyhawk 73, Quebec Papa, Spirit Tower. SA Quebec Papa, I got a notification from approach that you were having trouble here in the ATIS. The wind is 320 at 6, altimeter 3025.
Yeah, 73, Quebec Papa, thank you.
Tower information, Zulu now current wind 350 at 3, altimeter 3025. Cessna Quebec Papa, right turn, Alpha 5, contact ground point 7, have a good day.
Alpha 5, go to ground 73, Quebec Papa, thank you. Left Alpha 2, ready for departure.
Track 632 Spirit Tower, good afternoon, wind 350 at 3, left turn on course to the southwest is approved, runway 26 left, Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, on course approved, pushing 632.
Spirit Tower, Subair 8904, hold short 26 left, ready for departure.
Subair 8904, Spirit Tower, hold short, runway 26 left.
Hold short, runway 26 left, Subair 8904.
Subair 8904, fly, runway heading, runway 26 left, full length, clear for takeoff.
26 left, full length, clear for takeoff, fly runway, Subair 8904.
Spirit track 692, runway 2, or actually, you know what, continue for runway 26 left. If able, would you be able to do a short approach?
Can I do a short approach, crew check 692.
Roger, just plan on that for now. I do have a Vision jet currently 15 southeast. I just want to see how fast they're going to keep coming in.
Well, just let us know, crew check 692, we'll plan for that.
And career track 692, I'm going to try and fit you in front of the Vision jet, so make short approach, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Keep the speed up, make short approach for 26 left, clear to land, crew check 692.
And crew track 692, right turn, Alpha 6, no delay, and contact ground point 7. Have a good day.
6, no delay, ground point 7, crew check 692, have a good one.
Spirit Tower, VisionJet 11 Tango Tango 4000, visual 26 left.
VisionJet 11 Tango Tango Spirit Tower, good afternoon. Wind is calm, runway 26 left, you're clear to land number 2. You're following Cessna traffic in the left midfield tower.
26 left, clear to land number 2, following the Cessna 11 Tango Tango.
VisionJet 11 Tango Tango, right turn, your discretion, contact ground point 7. Have a good day.
Discretion to the right, ground point 7, good day, 11 Tango Tango.
Spirit Tower, Skyhawk 901 Papa Alpha, and holding Alpha 2 and 26 left for takeoff with a heading of 224 with information Zulu.
That's the 901 Papa Alpha, Spirit Tower, wind 3206, runway 26 left, Alpha 2, cleared for takeoff, left turn on course to the southwest approved.
1 Papa Alpha, clear for takeoff, 26 left, left turn approved.
Air 7476 Victor, Spirit Tower, Roger, hold showing 26 left, just waiting on your IFR release.
26 left, 7476.
And King Air 7476 Victor, I actually just got it. On departure, turn right, heading 310. Runway 26 left, cleared for takeoff.
310, cleared for takeoff, 26 left, King Air 7476 Victor.
And career track 632, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 632.
And career track 632, right turn Alpha 5. Looks like ground is a couple things for you, so contact ground point 7.
Contact ground, 632. Have a good day. 396 Quebec, holding short runway 26 left at Alpha 3, ready for takeoff.
Spirit 2396 Quebec, Spirit Tower. Wind is variable at 3, runway 26 left at Alpha 3. Cleared for takeoff on course to the southwest is approved.
Course approved, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff. Musketeer 2396 Quebec. Holding short up 26 left, ready for westbound VFR departure.
Cessna 85 Romeo, Spirit Tower, wind is calm, runway 26 left Alpha 2, cleared for takeoff, on course to Washington, approved.
Takeoff Alpha 2 on course to Washington, 85 Romeo.
Tower Bonanza 721 Echo November, I'm 5 miles to your south, east, inbound full stop 26 left.
721 Echo November, Spirit Tower, good afternoon, wind 040 at 4, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Left, clear to land, 1 Echo November.
Echo November, right turn Alpha 6, contact ground point 71 off, have a good day.
Point 6, ground point 7, thanks, 1 Echo November.
Executive 472, Spirit Tower, yep and ready. Executive 472, Spirit Tower, wind is 040 at 4, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, full length, clear for takeoff.
Left, clear for takeoff, fly runway heading, District 472.
Executive 472, contact St. Louis departure, have a good day.
St. Louis departure, Executive 472. Spirit Tower, good afternoon, Cirrus 439 November Kilo, holding short 26 left, Alpha 2, ready for takeoff.
Cirrus 439 November Kilo, Spirit Tower, make right close traffic for runway 26 right, runway 26 left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
Right close traffic, 26 right, clear for takeoff, 26 left, Alpha 2, 9 November Kilo.
Spirit Tower, helicopter 870 Alpha Echo is established ILS 26 left with Zulu, full stop, yellow ramp.
Helicopter 870 Alpha Echo, Spirit Tower, roger. Runway 26 left cleared, low approach, and then once you get closer to the runway, just air taxi down to Alpha 6, and then I'll get you a taxi and clearance to yellow.
For 870 Alpha Echo, roger, cleared for low approach, and be ready for a clearance from Alpha 6 to yellow ramp. Roger. Spirit Tower, helicopter 870 Alpha Echo, clear active, runway 26 left.